pleasure to welcome you to Salt Lake City, where the local time is 9:37 a.m. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and your carrying items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful in opening up your bins to avoid injuring items that may have shifted during flight. You may receive an email survey from Delta asking you to share your experience with us. We value your feedback and use your responses. To continue to improve your travel experience, we invite you to download and use the Flight Delta app for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing your Stan Miles account. To keep the plane comfortable during deplaning and for our next flight, please open the air vents above your seat and lower the window shade halfway. This will also assist as we sanitize the cabin prior to the next flight. And we will be deplaning using a jet bridge today. If this is your final destination, checked baggage may be claimed in the baggage claim area. If you have a connecting flight, your checked baggage will be transferred for you. If you need assistance, please let us know. Thank you for your cooperation. And as you deplane, please remember to take a look around your seat and make sure you have everything you brought on board. On behalf of Delta and the Salt Lake City-based crew, we've enjoyed having you on board. Look forward to seeing you soon. Have a wonderful day.